The release is brought to you by Jam Production, tailor-made events and PR management, and Unique Radio.
Hi everyone, I'm your host Telesa and you're watching The Release. So I am still at home, and even though the stay-at-home order in St. Catherine has been lifted, I've decided to stay here to help with the fight against COVID-19. We can all do our part by simply staying at home. Now guys, we have an exciting program I can't wait to show you, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm your host Telesa and you're watching The Release. Now the stay-at-home order in St. Catherine has been lifted, but I've decided to stay home to shoot the episode. It's all about staying indoor and staying safe. Right now, it's time to check out our new releases.
Massacre has released a video for Chance.
Father, make a reason. All we need is just a chance.
Big Pop has released Days Pon Days.
Them know the pain and the struggle, man, got you. Enemy, I try everything with it stop you. Let's put away your fears and sorrow.
Anthony B has released a video for There Is a Light.
I know that there's a light. I step out and do this by myself.
Ryan King has released a video for Me, Myself and I.
The government, him say tweet me artist, take it to them.
Loving your body.
True Diva has released a single called Say Boom.
Say bon. Watch me wind up my way. Say bon. Got me moving me. Say bon.
In technology, one of LG's 2020 TV transitions from horizontal to non-existent by rolling down into its base when it's not needed. The screen is roll tested to ensure the best quality, that is, no breakage or dents, for years. In fashion brands Marc Jacobs and Valentino have each released a line of digital outfits to Animal Crossing New Horizons. Developed in partnership with Instagram page Animal Crossing Fashion Archive, the outfit lines, which recreates a number of pieces from each fashion house in-game, were revealed on the label's Twitter and Instagram channel.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed those new releases. Now if you have new releases and you want to submit them, do so via email. Send us an email to submission@thereleaseja.com. Now I'm here with Katie and Small, my best friend, the CEO of the Thick and Trendy Boutique. Thick and Trendy Boutique is an online boutique that caters to the more voluptuous lady. Hi Kayla, I call her Kayla. It's really Katie. How you doing, Katie?
I'm good. How are you, T?
I'm all right. You are in Maryland in the United States. What's it like there?
Okay, so right now we have seen a decline in our confirmed COVID cases. However, the number of deaths continue to increase within our area. But for the most part, I mean, over here we're staying home. We're doing everything that is necessary to be safe.
It must be a very scary time for you right now.
It is. I had a little health scare maybe about a little bit over a week ago, and I had to go to the emergency room, and it was maybe one of the most scariest experiences.
Wow.
I went to the emergency room in an ambulance, but they did not keep me in the back because they had the emergency room cornered off. They only had like 3 rooms that was delegated to regular patients, and so I literally had to like sit in a waiting room and wait until they had a bed available. When I finally got admitted and I went to my room, everybody was masked up, including patients. You weren't allowed to touch anyone, that kind of thing.
And I understand that your mask had burst at one point in time and you had asked for additional mask. What happened then?
So this was the scary part. I asked the nurse, I was like, can I have another mask? And she told me, she's like, I'm sorry, but I can't get you another mask because I get 1 mask per week and I have to sign for it. And this was not even an N95 mask. It was the other medical grade mask. And that for me was pretty scary because if they couldn't have given me something as simple as an extra mask, I really didn't want to stay. And so I literally came home, with the doctor told me, he's like, you are leaving against my advice. And I'm like, that's fine. I'll take my chances at home.
Right. So to be clear, Kayla does not have COVID-19, but she had a medical scare and she had to go to the hospital, but she had such a scary experience. I'm glad that you're okay. and I'm glad that you are home, but you work from home, Kayla. So tell me first and foremost about Thick and Trendy and about you adjusting to your current situation.
Okay, so Thick and Trendy Boutique is an online boutique. We cater to plus size ladies, sizes 14 through to 28. We basically provide just about all your plus size needs. So from lingeries, bathing suits, denim wear, dresses, tops, bottoms, everything.
And how have you been adjusting to the new COVID-19? I understand that it has affected your operations to some extent where delivery is concerned. Tell me more.
When it comes down to delivery, like from my suppliers, I've been having a lot of backlog with my deliveries because of the fact that a lot of them had to minimize their working staff. And so we have not been getting deliveries as frequently as we would like to. A lot of the orders have been backlogged because of operational purposes. Because even though my suppliers are within the United States, a lot of the products still do come from China. And so that has kind of, given us a lengthy period in which we have to wait for products to come in. However, what I've seen that persons are still shopping.
All right. So Kayla, we wanted to talk about quarantine fashion. You said that people are still shopping. So where are they going? Tell me.
That is a good question. Where are people? They're not going anywhere, but people are now virtually enjoying themselves. Persons are having virtual parties and persons are dressing up. Zoom is the new in. It's the new. Everybody's having Zoom parties.
Talk to me a little bit about the shirt that you're wearing. I love that shirt. I know you're partnering with my foundation and Purple Slush Foundation to also give back to some persons that are in need. So tell me a little bit about the t-shirts, about the line that you've come up with and how you're giving back.
Okay, so my t-shirt says Holy Chick. It's also a little bit distressed. I like distressed tees. I love it. And so we have a line of graphic t-shirts. They say numerous different things. We also have the Thick and Trendy line of tees. And what we're basically doing is we are giving back part proceeds to along with the Purple Slush Foundation, to give back to healthcare facilities within St. Thomas and Portland. My family's from Portland. Portland is dear to my heart. And so I wanted to do my part in helping, with our country to cope with the COVID crisis.
Is there any new hobbies that you've taken up as a result of being at home?
Right now, I am working on masks. Like I work in a health field, and most of my masks are these kind of masks, and they pretty much all have studs on them.
Love that. All right, guys. So remember, Kayla has her t-shirt line, and part proceeds of those t-shirts. So once she sells these t-shirts, part proceeds go towards the Purple Slush Foundation. Will be given back to those in need in St. Thomas and Portland, predominantly people within the medical field. So if you want to purchase a shirt from Thick and Trendy Boutique, Kaden is going to tell you how to go about doing that.
Okay, so to get your shirts, you can go to @Thick and Trendy Boutique on Instagram or on Facebook. You can send us a DM. All the pictures with the shirts are there. You can comment underneath. You can DM us, or you can even send us a message on WhatsApp at 405-3179 or 202-515-8987.
All right, guys, so we're going to a quick break. We'll be right back. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. If you're just tuning in, I'm your host, Telesa, and you're watching The Release. I'm here with a very special guest. I'm a big fan, Nadine Sutherland. How are you?
Yay, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Thanks for having me.
I noticed that you're at home, which is good.
I am at home. I'm tanning in my yard. I've been tanning in at my yard, but still I have been out on the road also because I have to promote my new single and promote my Nadine 40th. I'm not going to make anything stand in my way, so.
Yes. So it's 40 years of being in the music industry. This is a major achievement. How do you feel?
Yeah. The whole of last year, I was planning for 2020 because, it's my big year. And then COVID came And I was like, when it first landed, I went through the stage of being traumatized and just like, I can't believe with so many preparations, so many. And then I'm like, you know what? Amidst the restriction that COVID provides, I'm going to go out there and do my promotion. So right now, in a sense, I'm feeling slightly triumphant. You know, I'm like, yeah, we're going there doing our stuff. You know, under the restrictions and, you know, knowing, you know, I want to keep healthy. So definitely I'm keeping myself healthy. But this year I made a promise to that little big guy girl when she went Tasty Talent Contest and everybody to come Kermit the Frog, come hand them the long. And I made a promise to her that I'm going to make her history, which is my history. I'm going to tell the world about her and what she did. And I'm doing it.
Yes. Tell me about some of the challenges, especially in your earlier years, some of the challenges that you faced coming into the industry.
You know, I was lucky. I'm not going to act like I faced any tremendous amount of challenges. I won a talent contest, Tasty Talent Contest. And Bob Marley had a dream. I know that's 40 years ago. Bob Marley had a dream that artists must not suffer as much as he did. So he basically opened, he was a major superstar at that time. So immediately after I won Tasty, one of my prize was a recording contract with Tough Gang. Went and I did my first song, Starvation of the Line, was released. And basically it was kind of easy. It was kind of easy for me.
You have had so many successes within this industry. What would you say is your biggest success?
Surviving 40 years, still performing, putting out new songs, still doing my stuff. So that to me is the biggest achievement.
All right, understood. You have a new video now, Chatty Chatty. Tell me a little bit about the song. How did this song come about?
Chatty Chatty was written several years ago. I know this lady and she was like a devil incarnate. She was a child of God. Let me add, because everybody's a child of God. But she was malicious. She was vindictive. She just used her mouth. She weaponized her mouth. So basically, that song, she was the inspiration. But then I realized, but anybody forgot about anybody. Anybody who sit down and listen, they also enable gossiping and negativity and rumor mongering. So really what this song is trying to do is to point out that negative aspect and say, be careful of the stuff that you listen to, especially in this time.
Who produced the song?
Danger Zone Music, and it's just been a delight working with them because they have such incredible work ethics and just like they so believe in the project. They believe in my 40th year. They have been extremely supportive in getting the song out, you know, on the road. And it's being distributed by Taz Records. And I have to big up Ryan Bailey. Yeah, Ryan Bailey was the one who made that link. Ryan and I worked together. But Ryan made the link with Danger Zone. Believe it. When I was a student and studying, Ryan came to me and he said, you know, I have a link for you. It was Danger Zone. And that song was recorded years ago. Me think said that song would have never do or do anything. It's the funniest thing how life can be. And I sat here, my 48th year was coming up and I said, I need material for this incredible year, you know, 40 years of being in industry. And like October, Danger Zone contacted me and they said, you know, the rhythm is gonna go out, the Reggae Lovers rhythm. We love Chatty Chatty and you know, we're gonna go behind it. And I was like, prayers, you know.
So tell me about the team that is behind Nadine. I mean, it's 40 years that must have had a very strong foundation and of course a team to kind of continue on.
You know, I never really had a team behind me until like, I don't even know if the people that I have some strong people behind me that necessarily do they count to be a team. I guess they do. I'm working with Danger Zone right now. I'm working with Taz as a distributor. My stylist is Nico, bootleg rock star. So that's basically he's doing an incredible job. I mean, he's doing an incredible. He was the one who styled me for Chatty Chatty, which I think I look really, really nice in it because of his job. So that's basically my team. Not really like no big massive team, you know.
It's 40 years. We know that you had a bang planned So tell me now, with all of the adapting that you have to be doing, what is coming up next for you?
My bang is still in my head. You know, I have not. Just like my 40 years was in my head, and I decided not to let anything slow me down. And celebrating Little Nadine, Teen Queen, as them used to call me, Teen Queen.
All right, Nadine, tell me, where do people follow you? They want to find out a lot more about what's happening with you. Where do they follow you on social media? And even though no shows are happening right now, I still need you to give me the booking information, because we know that there will be life after COVID.
Well, you can get me on Instagram, everything Nadine Sutherland, Facebook, John Booking. You can see that on Instagram. The number is there. And you can contact Ryan Daly. So there are several people you can contact in terms of show. Write me on Instagram. Sometimes some people write me on Instagram for dubs or shows or whatever, or on Facebook, and I give them the number of who they can contact. But I think that Shelly's number is on my Insta page.
Thank you so much for joining us. Please keep safe. I know you're staying indoor. I'm staying indoor as well. So I opted to choose to shoot the episode at home. I decided not to go outside, and I am leading by example, and I'm hoping that everyone who is watching will see that both Nadine and I are leading by example. Guys, stay home as
Definitely. Enough love. Thank you for playing my video. Enough love to Lisa. Nice meeting you. Bye. Take care. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you so much, Nadine Sutherland. And of course, I'm here now with my other guest, Imaki. Imaki, how are you?
Sassy. Greeting style. Blessed. Hi, Jamaica. Don't know the Sassy.
I know you're from the St. Catherine side. You're from Linstead, right?
Yes, Linstead.
What was the shutdown like for you, for the St. Catherine shutdown? What was that like for you?
Trust me, man. Trust me. It's not nice. It's not nice. It's like you're in jail, you know? Prison is a taste of prison. For all who never go to prison, this is a taste of prison.
Oh,
trust
Lord.
me. Yeah.
All right, fair enough. So, Imaki, you have a new tagline onto your name now. Tell me a little bit about that. How did that come about?
Yeah, man, the Sassy Boss, you know, the ladies didn't give me it. Because I said them like the new side, the sexier side of me. Yeah, because this new track named Lockdown.
Chilling out here at home, listening to sweet sounds of John B. Let my locks flow, sit back, cozy with my baby.
You know, the ladies, trust me, man, the ladies might go on bad. They might get really rude.
Work 6 days from my feet, get 1 day off. Can't spend a real quality time with my baby. It's hard.
Imaki, for those people who don't know you, tell me a little bit more about you as an artist.
Well, Imaki is a reggae crooner, but you know, we are trying to take on a new side, which we're versatile. I'm very versatile. You know, so don't be surprised if in the future you hear me I do some different type of music too, because I like variation. But a new side here, people tend to like it more. You see what I mean? The ladies tend to like it more, so me like it from them like it. And we are pushed towards generating the fans and get them to lock on to the new side, which reggae, me not left reggae none at all, no, because reggae is my comfort zone, and reggae, me love reggae music, but I have a comfort zone. Yeah, but I think it's time for me to show a little difference.
Tell me about the new song that you have out now, the name of the song, and tell me a little bit about what the song is about.
All right, this song is titled Lockdown, and it has nothing to do with this current situation right now, because guess what? We recorded that song last year, October. That was way before even we hear about coronavirus or whatever. You know, me and Jovi Dupree, Christie's music from Old Harbour Road, big them up, bless them up. Yeah, big up Jovi. And it just happened in the period where everything just start happening, the lockdown thing. I say, this may be the good time and the proper, occasion for this song. And we start internet promotions and Facebook and IG, and I notice all the social medias, the now trending sites, all of them start to take on to it.
What is next for you where this song is concerned?
Yes, we want to shoot the video. But we can't do the gathering because it's against the law. So we have to just go and do the internet promotion, get it on what you're supposed to get it on.
So tell me, have you started to do anything new or different now that you're home? You have a lot more time on your hand. Is there anything new that you're doing?
Meditate more, that's all. And try to do a lot of rehearsal, put some little party thing in the thing and go and dance and sing and get yourself, up.
For those people out there who still don't believe that this is an actual thing and this is definitely something that needs to be controlled and that we can play a role in controlling that, what advice would you give to people out there?
I'll never tell people them say trust me, be careful, because we are see what go on all over the world, and for 1,000 people dying in one day it's not a pretty sight. Yeah, so the best thing to do is just stay home.
Tell me, is there any place in particular that you have to go to or you really want to go to when all of this is over?
The studio is one of my first place though, my main priority. Because I have a second track, part 2 to lockdown to really put together, So
wow.
You want to put it together, Part 2.
Give me a piece of lockdown and let me hear something now.
I'm chilling out here at home listening to sweet sounds of John B. Let my locks flow, sit back cozy with my baby. Thinking about good love, then rest on 9 to 5.
Thank you, Imaki, for being on the release this week. For those people who want to follow you, want to hear more of the song, who want to even book you for next year, because we're not sure how this year is looking, how do they get in contact with you? And of course, my base social media handles.
Or you can follow me on Twitter at Imaki, IMAAHKI. Instagram, Sazzy, SAZZI_Imarki, which is IMAAHKI again. Likewise, Facebook, IMAAHKI, Sazzy Boss, SAZZIBOSS.
Alright, before I go, any shout outs, Imaki?
Big up my road manager, now trending boss. Big up Raja, which is Ratcliffe Bethune. Big up Jovi the Pre. Yes.
Alright, guys, thank you so much. We're going to a quick break. We'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're just tuning in, I'm your host Talisa and you're watching The Release. So as you know, I have decided that for the next couple of weeks, I will be broadcasting from home, and it's only right that we stay home to help to flatten the curve. Now it's time for us to throw to our throwback segment.
Every time I look in her face and I see the pretty smile, there I surely know you are a dreadlocks child. Pick up the farmer with the machete and the file, with the pumpkin and the dumpling and the piece of yellow yam, thyme and the onion and a piece of scallion.
Long time we are successful of them now. From them step on the scene. That's it, Rastafari.
No dirty moon can cuss with. Them dirty mind discuss with. Let burn them, break down the chains and the shackle. Wicked man, them cannot step in our tabernacle. Fire man a blaze, man no man no one no woman. No man, 2 man business, what do you man? I'm at a 1, 2, operator not on you. Love part 1, I'm on me proper part 2. Yeah man, this is a nice one, still up.
So this a wonder video and you know, you better bring on your dancing shoes. So girl Keisha Martin, the queen of Jam Rock Soul, you don't know. It's all about Jah Alone sound tonight alongside the big bad sister Carol.
Too much chat about something will get your mother ball. Too much negativity that you don't fall.
Irish Mass and Medina with sense in media. Put a little smile in your genitalia. Some DJ used to talk the style of imitation, but I prefer to talk the style of my creation. And then the audience show appreciation. And them a up me round my neck and them a check off me hand. I'm on the culture, Sister Carlos, they are all vibes. With the massive, all nations, dancehall style with Jah Alone. You can stay tuned for a brand new album coming from Sister Carol, produced by Noni Music and the Black Cinderella Music same way. From 1981, me did and ram up the session. Around the microphone, I was the only woman. Select all I put vocal.
Whoo! You don't know, say Mama Carol get me out tonight, you know. Want bigger up, you know. But you come on to Mama Carol. She only talk the talk, she walk the walk, and she live the live. See? So bless up Empress, Mama Carol.
Every day I open pray.
Each and everyone knows love.
Loving you, girl. I was too blind to see. It's today, maybe for you, and tomorrow, maybe for me. Ever since you went away, my love gone astray. Sammy J had been up to a lot of things. Because Sammy J just come from LA. And I just released a new tune. You call it the 420. It named the herb. Selassie, Sammy Dreadlocks, you don't know. Rastafari, yeah man. I wake up this morning, what do I see? The Bible open in front of me from Genesis.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that segment as much as I did. Now, I sure can't wait to get back outside. Now we've come to the end of another amazing program of The Release. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at The Release JA. I am Telesa, and this is The Release.
Is brought to you by Jam Production, tailor-made events and PR management, and Unique Radio.